Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 1978 Bandit Trans Am. Has Butler Performance Z code 400. It's been punched out to a 461. It's over 500 horsepower. Has aluminum radiator, aluminum heads, aluminum exhaust manifolds, aluminum intake. It is a beast. This car is factory Star Lite black code 1919. Has incredibly sexy show quality paint, power steering, power disc brakes, was factory air conditioning, and I have the compressor, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock exhaust. It's got 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back. Brand new snowflakes from year one, 15x8s. It's got all the gold pinstriping. Paint job is absolutely show quality. You can see my reflection in it. Absolutely awesome car. So the previous owner went in, this is a CB antenna and it's got felt on it. He went in, found the original CB radio from Smokey and the Bandit and installed it. No telling what that cost. The original box is still in the trunk. It's got a quicksilver ratchet shifter, tacking gauges. Everything works except the AC, and I have the compressor and brackets. It's ready to work. Just needs to be installed. Just a mirror-like reflection in the paint. Absolutely gorgeous car. Listen to that 3-inch exhaust running out the back. We had this car 2 years ago. Sold it to a very good customer that's bought several vehicles from us. He keeps them a couple of years and moves on. This car has extremely nice floors, trunk, quarters. Here's the original box to the CB radio. It's a Pace 40 Challenge. It's got a full-size spare with the 15x8 snowflake, brand new Cobra. Got the jack, tire tool. Man, oh man, listen to that rumble. What an awesome car. It's got retro stereo sound, AM, FM, Bluetooth. So you can speak to your phone, you can play iTunes or whatever it is you want to do on your iPhone. She doesn't get hot, she drives down the road awesome. We've got TTops with bags. These are Hurst hatches. This is a Hurst Edition Black Bandit Trans Am. I've ordered the PHS. I'm not sure if it's an SE or not, but we'll find out. Don't know that it matters all that much. It's a Hurst hatch, black on black Trans Am with all the gold pinstripe and a Butler Performance 461, but it's over 500 horsepower. Come check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326.